Well, intuition, like I said, is part of our physical bodies. It's in the back of our brain and it's in our gut, so it's always with us. But we don't often notice it. It becomes very loud when we're in dangerous situations, and it sort of takes over and just makes us act. In normal, everyday-to-day life, it is there. We just need to sort of quiet down the thinking mind in order to get in touch with it. Your intuition, this feelings in our gut and this back part of your brain, this isn't the part of your brain that thinks through things rationally or solves problems. This is the part of your brain that decides things very instantly based on sensory input. So to get in touch with your intuition, you want to take a deep breath, quiet your mind, and just sort of feel the answer to a question you might have. And that's a good way to sort of start developing, tuning into this part of your brain.